missing number. This easy questions was asked by so many top companies. Let's see the question. So you have given an array of size n-1 and the question says that this array contains all the numbers between 1 to n except one number, and your task is to find that number. So a brute force way to solve this question would be to search every element from 1 to n in the array, and if any number is not present, that is our answer. But this approach takes time complexity as big of n square, which is the worst case time complexity for this question. The next better approach would be to use sorting. We'll sort this array in ascending order and then we'll compare the adjacent elements. So if difference between any adjacent element is greater than 1, then our answer lies in between them. So in this case, as you can see, 7 and 9, the difference is more than 1, so our answer is 8. So this approach will take n log n time complexity because sorting takes n log n time complexity. So next optimal approach would be to use XOR. We'll take all the numbers between 1 to 10 and we'll do their XORs, and then we do XOR with all the numbers from the array and we get this expression. Now as you can see in this expression, every number is repeated. Now we use very important property of XOR here, that is XOR of two same numbers gives 0. So the value of this expression would be zeros XORs with the number 8. And finally we get the number 8, which is our answer. So time complexity of this code is big of n, which is way better than the previous two one. But the best solution for this code would be to use this formula, that is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, that is sum of the n natural numbers. So we take n value as 10 here and we get 55, that is sum of all the numbers between 1 to 10, and then we find sum of all the numbers from the array and we get answer as 47, less than 55 because of one missing number. Now to get that missing number, we'll subtract these two terms and we'll get the answer as 8, and that is our answer. So these are the four ways to solve these questions. The first one is to use two loops, then we use sorting, which is n log n, and then we use XOR, which is big of n, and the best one is to use formula, and that's it.